All right. Back a few years ago, we used to have Google site search tools, and it had a feature called Fetch as Google, where you could put your URL in and you could basically submit it to Google and have it there in no time at all on the indexed pages in the search results. However, in 2018, they switched that to Google Site Search, or excuse me, Google Search Console. And with that, they also changed the fetch, the URL with the URL inspection. So as soon as you log into your Google Search Console, you have the overview, performance, and right here is URL inspection. You don't have to click that. What you can do is copy the link and you just paste it here and click enter, and it will do the search for you. Here, you'll notice this one isn't, I didn't submit this one yet to Google, so it's never been crawled. It hasn't been indexed yet. So the next step is up in the top right is to click test live URL. Now this will take a minute or two, so I'll just fast forward through this. All right, and there we have it. So the URL is available to Google. You can view the tested page here and see what Google sees. And you can also view your mobile if there are any mobile issues. And right now, what you want to do is basically you want to request indexing to Google. So you just simply click request indexing. Now, back with the old system, it used to be instantaneous. I found with the URL inspection, it's not as quick as the fetches Google to be indexed by Google, but it works. So hope that helps. That's how to use the URL inspection tool using Google Search Console. Have a great day.